Is Boldo tea really good for digestion and liver health? It's great, even helps with hangovers, but has its quirks. Stay tuned. I'm Dr. Márcio Fernandes, general and head and neck surgeon, covers medicine and curiosities. Folks, Boldo tea is scientifically proven to be excellent for digestion, liver function, anti-inflammation, and antioxidants, fighting aging, preventing infections, and easing hangovers. But wait, I often discuss gallstones on this channel. When I explain Boldo's function, you'll see it's great tea. The liver performs complex metabolic functions in our body. It produces bile. The liver produces bile, about 800 milliliters to 1 liter per day. This bile flows through the bile duct to the intestine or is stored in the gallbladder. What does this bile do? It helps dissolve and dilute fat so it can be absorbed more effectively. So bile aids in the absorption and digestion processes. What does the chemical composition of Boldo do? It increases bile flow in the liver, it boosts bile production, thus improving digestion. It enhances liver function and helps eliminate toxins from the body. But pay attention. If I have gallstones and I'm symptomatic with recurring symptoms, hospital visits, and small stones in my gallbladder, should I increase bile flow and risk a stone moving or causing pain? No, of course not. So, is Boldo tea really that good? Yes, but those with this condition can't have it, sadly, at least until surgery. After that, you can enjoy your Boldo tea. You know Boldo's effect on the liver, but what exactly does it do? I'll discuss 7 ways it can benefit patients. The first one is digestion. Why digestion? It helps with that bloated stomach feeling, slow digestion, that full stomach sensation. You eat a little but feel stuffed like a horse. Boldo boosts bile flow, aiding digestion and easing these symptoms. That's why after overindulging, people often turn to Boldo and feel better, because it really does help. In the liver, as you know, if it boosts bile production and speeds up liver function, it'll clearly help the liver, right? But pay attention to a healthy liver. Imagine a patient has a liver with an obstructive disease. Remember the bile duct I mentioned, which drains bile from the liver to the intestine? The patient develops jaundice, yellow eyes, dark urine, and pale stools. So if the liver's clogged, do we want to increase bile flow there? No, because increasing flow would worsen the patient's condition. So can it be taken in these cases? Of course not. The third benefit of Boldo is its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. That's amazing. It helps protect liver cells from oxidative damage. You see, it's always focused on digestion as the liver is key in this process. So, folks, when we say it helps with premature aging, it's because of all these benefits from Boldo, including its ability to metabolize excess free radicals, which ultimately cause us to age. They harm and degrade our cells, destroying them. And as a fourth benefit, it can also prevent infection. It's not that if you keep drinking Boldo, you'll never be completely illness-free. That's not realistic. Sometimes patients say, "Doc, I do everything right, but I still got sick." Folks, we're bound to get sick sometimes. If we did everything perfectly and never fell ill, we'd live forever, and you don't know anyone like that, right? So why does it work this way? Because it helps prevent and inhibit the growth of fungi, bacteria, and viruses. Another benefit, which I know many people love, is helping with hangovers. Why is that? Because when you're partying, you tend to overindulge. You drink, you eat, and the next day your poor liver's lost, your brain's foggy, and your stomach's confused. So what does this bonus do? It helps sort out this whole mess, improving digestion and bile flow, reducing that bloated feeling, indigestion and nausea, so he can feel better and go back to drinking his cachaca at night. Now, let's open a quick side note, folks. Remember, everything in life, good or not, should be used in moderation. Don't think that just because Boldo is beneficial, drinking liters daily will multiply its benefit. Excessive Boldo consumption can also be harmful and cause illness, okay? Remember, in life, too much or too little of anything is harmful. So use Boldo consciously when needed, not as a daily routine. If you need Boldo every day, every hour because you're feeling off, something's wrong. Remember, Boldo only helps with symptoms. This doesn't change the fact that you're experiencing symptoms. There could be an underlying condition beneath it all, and you need to find out what that condition is, but you'll only discover it if you get properly examined. Don't just take Boldo to feel better, thinking it's treating you. It's not actually treating you. Just because you drink herbal tea or take natural medicine to relieve a symptom doesn't mean you shouldn't see a doctor for tests to check if something's wrong. Do you understand, human? Boldo's for symptoms, like taking aspirin for a headache. It'll relieve the pain, but if the headache is caused by an underlying issue, you need to get checked to see if there's something more serious. So, folks, it's good for digestion issues and even helps with hangovers. If this video helped, please consider subscribing. It's free, I get your support, and you get daily videos. Oh, and don't forget Instagram. It's human being. Now a hug and goodbye.